Do you want to talk about your future in English? Stay with me and in just a few minutes you will master the future simple tense with clear examples and practice. Hello everyone and welcome back to English Talks, and today we're going to learn one of the most important tenses in English, the future simple. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to use it correctly, avoid common mistakes, and sound more natural when talking about your future plans. Okay, let's go. Let's see the structure first. The structure is very simple and it's super easy. We use subject plus will and plus base verb. For example, I will study English tomorrow, or she will call you later, or they will travel next summer. The point is, the verb never changes. It's always the base form after will. When do we use it? We use future simple in 4 main situations. Number 1, decisions at the moment of speaking. I'm hungry, I will order a pizza. Number 2, predictions about the future. It will rain tomorrow, or people will travel to Mars one day. Number 3, promises and offers. Don't worry, I will help you. I will always love you. Number 4, future facts or certainties. The sun will rise at 6 a.m. Now guys, if you're enjoying this lesson so far, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and share it with your friends so they can learn English too. Very good guys. Now, let's go for negative and question form. In order to make negative sentences, we can use subject plus will not plus base verb. For example, I will not watch TV tonight, or she won't go to the party. In order to make questions, we invert the subject and will. So, will plus subject plus base verb. For example, will you come tomorrow? Or will they help us? And for short answers, you can say, yes, I will, or no, I won't. Very good guys. Let's go for common mistakes learners make with future simple. Number 1, adding s or ed after will. She will go to school is wrong. She will go to school is correct. The verb after will is always in the base form. No matter the subject, will always shows the tense, so we don't need add endings. Number 2, using don't will for negatives. I don't will watch TV is wrong. I won't watch TV is correct. With will, we never use do, does, or did. The negative form is always will not or won't. Number 3, putting 2 modals together. He will can't play the guitar is completely wrong. The correct one is he will be able to play the guitar. In English, you cannot put 2 modal verbs together. Instead, use the correct structure, will be able to and will have to, etc. I have another video for modal verbs. You can watch it if you don't know the modal verbs, guys. Number 4, forgetting will in short answers. Will you help me? Yes, I. Or yes, I do is wrong. You need to say, yes, I will. Remember to always repeat will in short answers. Number 5, mixing up future and present forms. Tomorrow I go to the cinema is wrong. The correct one is tomorrow I will go to the cinema. Remember, you must use will when talking about future decisions or predictions. Now, it is your turn and try these practices. You're doing great so far. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss my future lessons. Very good guys, that's it. Today we learned how to form future simple, negative, and question forms, the most common mistakes, and how to fix them. Remember, future simple is will plus base verb. Practice every day and talking about your future will be super easy. Very good guys, see you in the next lesson.